sweetie. I had great plans. It's Sunday. It's, what is 1 o'clock, 12:30, 1 o'clock. It's sunny out, the temperature's going up. It's going to be 12 soon, and that's good. And I noticed what the neighbors in the back were doing. That's what all the, talk and activity was. They were building something, yes, and they were building a kid thing. A swing climbing apparatus. So I was going to go make a video with that in the background so you could see, what was going on. So I grabbed my iPad, I grabbed my phone, I opened the door and headed out, and that very moment, the lawnmower started. Go figure. I'm already complaining about too many people, too much noise, too much everything. I think I have a, relatively quiet moment out there. No. I'm going to have the noise, the sound of, children and people talking in the background. But on top of it all, drowning all that out, including me, is the lawnmower that started. As soon as I put my foot out. So, guess where I went? Back inside. I can't escape the noise of the lawnmower, but at least it's not drowning me out. Yeah. And then, there's the Sunday talk on the radio. We have the Vinyl Cafe that pops up every weekend. It's popular all across Canada and even in the United States. And he travels and he does, he's a funny guy, but sometimes you just don't want to hear his stories. So I'm escaping. I'm having my coffee in the bedroom. Me and Julia are escaping to the bedroom. In the living room, there's a cedar bush just off center to the left of the window. Right here, it completely blocks the window, so there's a much greater chance of there being some bird or squirrel climbing in the tree, in the bush. This is fascinating to Julia because there are branches pressed right up against the glass. They're always moving. Yes, so I'm slowly getting a move on my one day that I have to prepare for my evening class. Yes, I've whittled everything down to one class on the one day that I teach in the evening next week. And so far, I have very little of it done. Too distracted, right, Julia? Too distracted by you and by Floyd and by the neighbors. Cool. It looks like a really cool, kids' gym thing. My husband's off to get some asparagus. He hopes that there's asparagus. He said maybe on a long weekend like this they'll sell out, but maybe not. Whatever. It's asparagus season again. And then I imagine we'll go see the kids. I should talk with them. It looks like my son stayed the night over there at his sister's place, so he hasn't been online. Hey, Julia? The Boston fans I can't see if they have their Boston sign still out in the garage. I imagine they have the garage door open, so I can't tell. It's hard to see. They got trucks and a tree and things in between me and it. Anyway, enough of this dilly-dallying. I was so looking forward to talking to you from outside in the sunshine. It was going to be nice. Bah. Maybe tomorrow. Kid walking by, looking down at his phone. That's one of the things that I was reading in the newspaper today. And the emails that I keep getting from my junk mail purveyors, relatives. Junk mail purveyor relatives, yes. They use this wonderful new resource that they can express all their thoughts on, but they still put it down. So all our kids are going to hell in a handbasket because of the phones they keep on looking at and the way they interact. And our countries are going to hell in a handbasket because of the Muslims that they allow to replace the other people who used to live in the ghettos. People are just so unimpressed with everyone else. I'm unimpressed with all of you. Why can't we just be nice to each other? Because we don't know how, I guess. All right. What an introspective weekend. What do you think, huh, Julian? Do you have these thoughts? No, she says. Stop pulling my tail.